Hey, English learners, welcome back to Real English Talk, the place where you learn real English through real conversations. I'm Kate.
And I'm James. It feels great to be here again. You know, Kate, today's topic is one of the most common questions people face, but also one that makes many learners nervous.
Absolutely. In this video, we're going to practice how to answer, "Tell me about yourself."
That's right. You'll hear this everywhere, at a new job, in class, or when meeting new friends.
And by the end, you'll know exactly how to talk about yourself clearly and confidently.
Plus, stay till the end for our vocabulary spotlight, where we'll explain key words from today's talk so you can sound more natural.
Don't skip the end. That's where your learning really clicks. All right, let's begin. So, James, let's practice. Tell me about yourself.
I knew you'd say that. Okay, where do I start?
Start with the basics. Your name.
James. My name is James. James.
Nice to meet you, James. I'm Kate.
Nice to meet you too. So, where are you from?
Good question. I'm from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I'm from the United Kingdom.
The UK? Very nice. Do you live in a big city?
Actually, no, a small town. Quiet and peaceful. You?
I live in a big city, busy and loud, but I love the energy.
The city girl and the country guy. Perfect combo.
Exactly. What about your home, house, or apartment?
A small house with a garden. I love gardening. It helps me relax.
That's nice. I live in a cozy apartment, not big, but bright and comfortable.
Great. So we have name, place, and home covered. What's next?
Age. How old are you?
I'm 28. And you?
25 years.
25 years. A great age, full of energy and dreams.
Thank you. Okay, next. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I love helping people speak with confidence.
That's wonderful. I'm a graphic designer. I work with colors and illustrations.
Creative work, that fits you perfectly.
Thanks. It's fun and expressive.
Self.
So, James, now we are discussing here one topic that really helps people connect. Family.
Absolutely. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," mentioning family adds warmth. It shows who you are beyond work.
Exactly. So, let's start with you, James. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name's Sarah. She's 2 years younger than me.
Oh, that's nice. What does she do?
She studies music at university. She's a pianist, plays beautifully. Sometimes I listen when she practices, and it's so calming.
That sounds lovely. So, there's a lot of creativity in your family.
Definitely. My mom's a writer. She's published a few short stories. And my dad's a doctor. So one side is imagination, and the other is science.
That's such an interesting mix, creative and logical.
Yeah, I think I got a bit of both. What about your family, Kate?
I have one brother. His name's Tom. He's a photographer.
Nice. Does he travel for work?
All the time. He goes to different countries for magazine shoots. He's adventurous, loves mountains and long hikes.
Sounds exciting. So, you're the designer and he's the photographer. Creativity runs in your family too.
I guess it does. My mom teaches art at a local school, and my dad's a chef.
Oh, that's a perfect combination. Art and food. Creative and delicious.
Yes, our home always smells amazing because dad's always cooking something new.
You're lucky. My dad cooks one dish, spaghetti, and only when he's in the mood.
At least he tries. So, James, what's a good way for learners to talk about family?
Keep it simple. Say your family members and one fact about them. For example, I have one sister. She studies music. Or, My father is a doctor. Short, clear sentences are perfect.
Exactly. You don't need big words. Just speak naturally, like telling a small story.
Right. And to make it warmer, add how you feel. For example, my mother is a teacher and I'm proud of her. It makes your English sound friendly.
Great point. Language feels more alive when you add emotion.
Totally. Okay, now let's move to something just as fun, pets.
Oh, I love this topic. Pets are family too.
True. So, do you have any pets?
Yes. I have a cat named Luna. She's black and white and she sleeps most of the day.
A sleepy cat? Classic. What's she like?
Very calm and quiet. She loves sitting by the window and watching birds, like she's meditating.
Adorable. Cats really know how to relax.
They do. What about you, James?
I have a dog named Max. He's small, brown, and full of energy. He loves running around the garden and playing fetch.
Aw, that's cute. Does he ever get into trouble?
All the time, he steals my socks and hides them under the couch.
Typical dog. Cats sleep, dogs play. We balance each other, you with Max and me with Luna.
True. And talking about pets is a great conversation topic in English. People always smile when they talk about animals.
Absolutely. It's also perfect for small talk. You can say, I have a dog, his name is Max. Or, I have a cat, she's black and white.
Yes, and describe their habits. He runs in the park, or she sleeps all day. Simple verbs make your English sound natural.
Exactly. Don't stress about grammar, focus on sharing something real.
And even if you don't have a pet, you can still join the conversation. Say, I don't have a pet, but I like dogs, or I want a cat one day.
That's great advice. It keeps the conversation going and shows interest.
Right. People love talking about their pets. It's a perfect way to build a connection.
So, if we put it all together, you could say, I have one brother. He's a photographer. I live with my parents and our cat, Luna.
Perfect. Short, clear, and friendly.
So, let's quickly review what we covered.
We talked about describing family, parents, siblings, and what they do.
And about pets, their looks, habits, and personalities.
All with simple, real English sentences.
The goal isn't perfection, it's connection.
Exactly. When you talk about your family or pets, you're sharing a part of who you are.
Now we'll talk about one of my favorite topics, hobbies and things we love doing.
Great. Hobbies show who we are. So, Kate, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting and reading. Painting helps me relax, and reading takes me to new worlds. What about you?
I like music and football. I listen to rock and jazz, and I play football with my friends every Saturday. It keeps me active and happy.
Nice. Hobbies are a good way to connect with people. You can say, I like reading, I love cooking, or I enjoy sports. Simple but natural.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences. Just speak with feeling.
True. Now, let's talk about favorites. What's your favorite food, James?
Easy one. Pizza. I love cheese.
Mine's pasta. Simple and delicious. We'd make a great dinner pair.
How about your favorite color?
Green. It reminds me of nature. What about you?
Blue. Like the ocean. Calm and fresh.
I like that. Even small things like color make a conversation more personal.
Right. And when you say, I like, I love, or I don't like, you're already giving a good answer to tell me about yourself.
Exactly. Let's also talk about dislikes. That shows personality too.
I don't like waiting in long lines. It drives me crazy.
Me neither. I don't like waking up early. I'm not a morning person.
Same here. I need coffee before I can talk to anyone.
See, you can say, I like coffee, but I don't like tea, or I love music, but I don't like noise. It makes your English sound more natural. Now it's time for one of our favorite parts, the vocabulary spotlight.
These are the key words and phrases from today's episode.
Learning these words will not only increase your vocabulary, but also help you practice English every day.
Let's practice.
Curious, meaning wanting to learn or know more about something. Example, I'm curious about other countries.
Confident, meaning feeling sure about yourself. Example, speaking English every day helps me feel confident.
Independent, meaning able to do things by yourself. Example, I am independent and do my homework alone.
Ambitious, meaning wanting to do something big or important. Example, she's ambitious and wants to start her own business.
Reliable, meaning someone you can trust. Example, my best friend is reliable. She always helps me.
Generous, meaning likes to share or give to others. Example, he's generous and helps poor people.
Enthusiastic, meaning very happy and excited about something. Example, the students were enthusiastic about learning English.
Patient, meaning calm and not angry when waiting. Example, good teachers are patient with students.
Great job, everyone. Today we learned how to talk about hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
Now you can describe yourself, who you are, and what you enjoy.
Keep practicing every day. The more you speak, the better you sound.
Remember, your daily life is the best classroom for English.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to Real English Talk.
And don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what's one new English word you'll practice this week?